Ugh. John, this site is so slow.
You good?
No, I can't do anything. Can you help me?
Let me show you something.
Thank you.
Watch this.
Whoa, that was fast.
Yeah.
My name is Chelsea Farrington. You're watching an all-new episode of After Hours, and today we're talking about site speed. Site speed is top of everyone's mind, right, Jen?
Right.
Right. It impacts rankings, influences user experience, and ultimately impacts the lead flow to your website. So what's the Treehouse doing to improve your site speed? Think of your site loading as a digital-first touchpoint with your customer. And we all know how important it is to make a good first impression. When minification helps us render a page faster, we provide a better experience for your customer.
Minification is a lot like the process of just squeezing all the air out of a bag of chips. And what it does is it takes any of the unnecessary white space, little comments, and it makes it all and compacts it all into one small line. And that allows the browser to process the code a lot faster. And through that process, we can save some milliseconds in rendering a page, and rendering a page is just displaying that content to a user. And it's an important process because it allows us to serve up something that both the machines like and something that both I like as a person. So we can read it, and the machines can read it in their way. So it kind of works on both ends.
But that's not all we're doing to improve the speed of your site.
Internet speed can vary from location. So your home, your office, your cell data, Starbucks, all that can vary in speed. So we found that the best thing to do is to make sure that we prioritize all the content that's for the user. So what that means is we make sure that as soon as possible there's something that they can see on inside the web browser. And studies have shown, and we have seen, that as quicker we get them something, the more likely it is that they're going to turn into they're going to wait, hang out on your site, and turn into a quality customer.
John is talking about prioritizing the way a website loads. The first thing your customer will see when they land on your website are the items above the fold, meaning everything on your site before they have to scroll down the page. We build websites so the elements your customer will see first load first. While your customer is busy reading the information above the fold, the site is busy loading everything else. That way, your website loads faster and nothing is disrupted for your customer. And there's more to this story. There's file compression, there's browser caching, and there are things we're still developing and testing.
Year over year, sites just are getting bigger, bigger, bigger. There's more complexity. There's just more size everywhere, right? So I think the process of making sure that all that content and all those things are handled right and delivered properly is going to kind of help us win, right? Speed's going to always be a good thing. The faster we are, the more we're going to be able to get in front of more people, and we're going to be able to keep converting those people into quality customers.
So we're compressing code, we're prioritizing the way that things load on the website, and there's still a lot more to come. So we're going to explore this and other topics in the next episode of After Hours. Until then, I'm going to enjoy these wicked fast website speeds. See you next time.